Good morning, students. In this video we are going to see exercise 4.5 second sum. We have to construct a rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 and 6.4 centimeter long. We have to construct a rhombus in the sense only diagonals are given and no sides are given. So I have drawn a rhombus here. It's a rough sketch. We have to mark the measures A, B, C, D or the vertices of the rhombus, and here what it is given, 5.2 is a diagonal and 6.4 centimeter is also a diagonal, right children? So this first diagonal I am taking it as 6.4 centimeter. AC is equal to 6.4 centimeter and BD is equal to 5.2 centimeter. AC is equal to 6.4. BD is equal to 5.2 centimeter. So only the diagonals are given, no sides are given. But in the rhombus, what are all the properties? Diagonals will bisect each other. That means it is bisecting at perpendicular bisector also. It is bisecting as well as it is perpendicular to each other. So AC is 6.4 centimeter and BD is equal to 5.2 centimeter and no sides are given. First take 6.4 centimeter and draw a line segment for 6.4 centimeter. 6.4 centimeter you have to draw a line segment and give the vertex name as A and C. And now this is a diagonal and one more diagonal will bisect at the perpendicular. It is perpendicularly bisecting each other. So I should find the center of this AC. 6.4 the center I should find, and as well as I have to find the perpendicular bisector. I should perpendicularly bisect this one. So I am taking a compass more than half. You can take more than half. It's an eye measure. More than half. Cut at two arcs like this, up and down for AC, and again without changing the compass, keep the compass needle at the point C, cut the previous drawn arc like this. Now 4 arcs totally I have obtained, and this intersection point joined using the ruler. So this is the perpendicular bisector and I can mark it as XY. So on this XY only I should mark the point BD. BD is actually 5.2 centimeter and actually 5.2 should be equally divided among this here and up and down of AC. So 5.2 I am dividing it by 2. So when I divide 5.2 by 2, and here is 2, 2s are 4, balance 1 and 2 will come here. This point will move to the top, and now 6 times this 2 6 is 12. Right children? So here it is 2.6 centimeter and down it should be 2.6 centimeter. So exactly 2.6 centimeter you take in your compass and cut 2 arcs, placing it on the point O. O is the center point, right children? So here I am keeping the compass needle and cut the 2 arcs like this for 2.6 centimeter. So this point, intersection point is D point, and this is the intersection point B. Now here it is 2.6 centimeter. This is 2.6 centimeter and this is also 2.6 centimeter. Now what shall we do? We can join this AD, CD as well, down also we can join BC and AB. Now this is the center point. Now ABCD is the rhombus obtained. Only the given thing is diagonal. AC is 6.4 centimeter and BD is 2.6 centimeter. So we have drawn a rhombus using only the diagonals.